91 Assistant is outdated and shut down in 2025. Many now seek reliable replacements. Here are 7 top alternatives for smarter, stable phone management. Top 1. Best 91 Assistant Alternative. MobiKin Assistant for Android. Managing contacts, messages, apps, and media from a computer becomes seamless. With MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac, users can back up and restore Android data in just a few clicks. Connect your Android to PC via USB and launch the program. Enable USB debugging for detection. Once recognized, you can back up, restore, transfer, or manage your phone. How does MobiKin Assistant for Android compare favorably to 91 Assistant? Provides a modern, intuitive UI. Unlike 91 Assistant's outdated design, supports the latest Android versions, whereas 91 Assistant hasn't been updated for years. Offers direct backup, transfer, restore, and app management. Top 2. MyPhoneExporer Android. Data synchronization between Android phones and PCs is one of the strong suits of MyPhoneExporer. This tool allows users to handle contacts, SMS, and files effortlessly. Top 3. ASTRO File Manager and Cleaner Android. Organizing files and folders on Android devices becomes straightforward with the intuitive interface of ASTRO File Manager and Cleaner. This software also helps users free up space by identifying large or duplicate files. Top 4. MobiKin Assistant for iOS. Transferring data between iOS devices and computers is made efficient with MobiKin Assistant for iOS, Windows, and Mac. Users can back up and restore contacts, messages, photos, and more. How does MobiKin Assistant for iOS compare favorably to 91 Assistant? Official 10+ languages, unlike 91 Assistant, which was mainly in Chinese, works seamlessly with iOS backups and transfers without jailbreak. Offers compatibility with the latest iOS versions, which 91 Assistant does not support. Top 5. Easy Backup iOS. Creating a full backup of iPhone contacts can be done in seconds with Easy Backup. Backups are stored locally or sent to the user's email for safety. No iTunes or cloud account is required, making the process hassle-free. Top 6. Tiger Data Backup plus Transfer iOS. Safeguarding photos, contacts, and media files is at the core of Tiger Data Backup plus Transfer. Data can be restored or transferred between iPhones with just a few taps. Top 7. Link to Windows, Android, iOS. Messages, notifications, and calls can be accessed directly from a Windows PC. Using Link to Windows, users can drag and drop files between devices without cables. App mirroring allows for direct interaction with mobile apps on the computer screen.